never been a question of love or liking all the times we spent together hiding from weathered storms. Our world's twisted out of the norm. Be warned, I've seen the warning signs, but even through the shitty times, your body shined. I've denied reality. I'd hide, I did a lot for you and us, and trusted that true love could conquer any battle. I ripped off all my shackles, fought to keep you by my side in defense, but circumstances happened that ripped us further apart. We took steps back, pieces of me are dead and will never grow back. From yellow to black, from light to dark, we start the day again. But we can possibly mend all the things that we've broken. We just don't work. Fuck, it really hurts to truly admit it. Our personalities did it. I need more and you need less. I'm gone, I'm sick of this.
I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it? Oh, I'm gone. I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it? I'm gone.
But the more I think about it, the more angry I get. I can't forget all those times you left. It put me through hell, I'd yell for help, but you'd ignore my cries without a goodbye or a reason. Till you leave it made you stop believing that I'd never come back. And I know you couldn't fathom that. Just as you would start to lose control, we go back through the same cycle, round and round. You pick me up and throw me down. How horrible it was to have to tell my friends that you left again. I was so lonely and depressed that I could hardly get dressed or get out of bed. How I wished I was dead. My soul was gonna die, but somehow I got by. Those tears went slowly back inside my eyes. I knew it was time to move on. We both felt it, this relationship is wrong.
I'm gone, I'm leaving. This is wrong, can't you feel it? Oh, I'm gone. I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it? I'm gone.
As time passes, the shattered glass brings itself back together. The seasons change, and I know I'm doing better. Better off without you. My soul is finally clean. You left out of my dreams. You're fading away into the sunset. My soul has been lifted, my emotions have shifted. The poems of you have drifted into the sea. Cause I don't see even a glimpse of me and you ever getting back together. If you don't hear the song, then I'll send you a letter to let you know that it's over. For real this time, you could never change my mind. You'll never have the chance to even try to talk to me. I blocked you on my caller ID, so I guess this is it. I'm really gonna leave. This is the last time that you'll ever hear from me. I'm gone, I won't accept another plea.
I'm gone, I'm leaving. This is wrong, can't you feel it? Oh, I'm gone, I'm leaving. This is wrong, can't you feel it? I'm gone. I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it? Yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it? Oh, I'm gone. Oh, I'm leaving. 'Cause this is wrong. Can't you feel it? Oh, I'm gone. Oh, I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it? Oh, I'm gone. I'm leaving. This is wrong. Can't you feel it?